Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off a car alarm in Project Zomboid. First, know that there isn't a direct in-game turn off alarm button for normal car alarms once they go off. The game doesn't provide a context action in the vehicle menu to silence the alarm manually. Car alarms in Project Zomboid typically trigger when you break a window or enter certain cars without keys. This produces noise that lasts for a short duration and attracts zombies nearby. The main way those alarms stop is simply to wait it out. They run for their set duration, often around a minute or so, and then automatically shut off once the sound timer ends. During that time, the sound will continue but will eventually stop on its own without any player action. If you want to prevent future alarms, the most reliable method is to remove the car battery before interacting with the vehicle. Without a battery fitted, the alarm won't have power to trigger when you break a window or open a locked door. Another preventive step is to disable or lower alarm frequency in the sandbox settings when starting your game. The car alarm's frequency slider lets you make alarms very rare or off entirely. There currently isn't a built-in way in vanilla Project Zomboid to instantly silence a triggered car alarm, though some mods exist that let you detect or disable alarms. And that's how you deal with car alarms in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.